Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Motegi. So in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed review about the all new Kia Sonet. Also, I have done a most detailed review about this car and the card for that will be popping up on the right corner and make sure to check it out too. So to know how this car drives, let's get into the video. So guys, right now we are driving the Kia Sonet 1-liter turbo GDI variant with IMT transmission. And for those who don't know about this IMT transmission, I will explain it quickly. Also, I have done a detailed explanation video about the IMT gearbox and make sure to check it out too. So basically, an IMT transmission is a manual gearbox without any clutch. So you can change the gears as per your wish without using the clutch. So this IMT transmission as a whole isn't an automatic or neither a manual transmission. It is placed in between both of these gearboxes. So this IMT gearbox gives you the comfort of driving an automatic car as well as the fun of driving a car with a manual gearbox. So the heart of this car happens to be a 1-liter turbocharged GDI petrol engine, and GDI stands for gasoline direct injection. And this engine produces 120 horsepower and 172 Newton meters of torque. And first thing to be noted that this car feels very sporty to drive and the power output is extremely good. And also this car has a wider torque band from around 1750 rpm to 3750 rpm, resulting on a wider range of power output. And the throttle is very responsive, I would say. The peak power comes at low end and mid-range power band, which could be felt up to 4500 rpm. But it isn't an issue as most of the power would be needed only on the mid-range and the low-end power band. And overall this car feels amazing to drive. And the suspension is slightly on the stiffer side, so at high speeds the car would be very stable and you can feel the firmness of the chassis. And even though the suspension is on the stiffer side, at low speeds the ride quality is simply amazing. And the shocks from the bumps and potholes has been absorbed really well, resulting on a very good ride quality. And this car being a sub 4 meter SUV still has an amazing road presence, and at the front design being aggressive gives you a bold look while driving this car. And the seating position is actually very comfortable, I would say, and due to the seat height you would get a commanding seating position, giving a feel of driving a real SUV. And the steering feel and feedback is responsive to an extent and better than the Hyundai Venue. But at the center position you can slightly feel this slackness. Still, it is very minute and it is not that noticeable. And once again I'm moving the steering wheel slightly, but at the center position you can slightly feel the slackness, but as said before, the slackness is very minute and isn't an issue at all. It is light at low speeds and weighs up brilliantly at high speeds, and it will be very suitable for both city and highways, and the driver would be very comfortable to maneuver and manipulate the steering wheel. And as you can see on the other SUVs, the Sonet slightly has some amount of body roll on offer, but still it is quite low and the handling is extremely good. And coming to the features, this car has quite a lot of features like the rear view camera, parking adaptive guidelines, SOS feature, and much more. And what this SOS feature does is it automatically dials to the 108 ambulance in case of an accident and airbags open. And coming to the safety features, this car has 6 airbags along with ABS, ESP, EBD, electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist control, and much more. Also, this car has cruise control function too. And overall, Kia has done an amazing work by loading a ton of features in it. And coming to the fuel efficiency, it has been claimed that this car returns on a mileage of 18.2 km per liter. But on the real world, you would get around 14 to 15 km per liter on city and 16 to 17 km per liter on highways. So if you're looking for a sub 4 meter SUV which has a power-packed performance and loaded with a ton of features, then the Kia Sonet 1-liter turbo petrol is the right pick for you, and especially with this IMT variant. And coming to the price point, this car has a base model price of around 6.71 lakhs and the top end price of around 30 lakhs of ex-showroom. And the car that we are currently driving now, the 1-liter turbo petrol GTX Plus variant with the IMT transmission, has an on-road price of around 14.85 lakhs. So that's all everyone. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.